Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your active server on the Flash Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flash Party game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you can immediately start playing your battle by clicking on the battle button. Now, if you wish to change the server that you are connected to before you start your match, then look at the top right corner and you will see the gear icon, alongside which you will see the server that is currently selected. So just click on this option and now you can choose from the various regions that are available. By default, the auto select is chosen. You can turn this toggle off by simply choosing a region that you would like to connect to. Make sure that you have the least latency while choosing your server for the most optimal gameplay experience. After choosing your server, you can click on the confirm button, and now you will see that your chosen server has been selected as your game's default server. You can now start your battle, and you will be connected with players from this server right away. If you wish to change this back at any point of time, you can click on the same option and either enable the auto select option or choose your desired new region right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your active server or region on the Flash Party game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.